Jopuonjre maromo 59,000 mag grade 6 kod klas 8 e kaunti ma Kajiado timo ikruok margi mogik motelo ne chakruok mar penj juma manyien. Direkta mar somo e kaunti no Martin Cheriot owacho ni nyaka sani chenro duto ni kare e ikruok ne penj go. Omedo ni chiemo bende oseiki ne jopuonjre go duto.
We have 858 examination centers that will facilitate the assessment, the KEPSE assessment, with a total of 28,874 candidates. We have a total of 691 KCP centers, with a total of 30,421 candidates for this year. We don't anticipate a lot, and especially now that we may not expect El Nino rains, we don't anticipate a lot of logistical challenges, and yet or any other human challenges. And some of our schools, a good number of our schools are hosting rescued children. Some of them, of course, may be in school, yet they are pregnant. If it happens that during the duration of the period of doing the exams, labor sets in, we are set and we are ready to support them.
Ramogi yena monda ka oyueyo mokwongo to kapok adhi e yueyo asomie moko kuom ote ma waseyudo muoro nwaka. Pascal Olajo owacho ni winjwa maber.